welcome back to another video for this week. I'm glad that you're here to join me through my experience and my journey through these vlogs, and these vlogs are also intended to help any other people going through the same steps and going through the same journey as I am to attaining a driving license. Today's video we are focusing on how to book in your driving lessons. Of course, we're going to be booking it in with SmartLearner driving school, so that's what we're going to be doing today, whether it's online or through the phone. I'm going to be going through the steps one by one on how to book your first driving lessons with SmartLearner driving school. Let's just go through a quick recap on what we have done so far. We have applied for a provisional license. Our licenses have come. We have revised for our theory test, and we have now passed our theory test. This is the next step, and this is to book your driving lessons in. I am not gonna lie to you guys, this is the same stage I am at. I've not booked any driving lessons yet. I don't know how to drive at all. I have just recently passed my theory test, but that's all. So this is also a new experience for me, so I will be learning with you guys as well. But before we get into any booking or any sorts, we have to figure out whether we are doing the manual or automatic. Now, I have chosen manual because I felt like that is what I wanted to do. I don't know, there is no reason to it. I just want to do manual. I want to gear. I want to touch this. Let me not say that. I just want to do manual, that's all. I felt like if I did automatic, I wouldn't be able to drive manual, so let me just do manual while I can drive a manual car and also an automatic. The best of both worlds, right? Hannah Montana. That and manual is a bit more cheaper in comparison to automatic. That is one other reason why I would go for manual. My car would become more cheaper. I get to save money as well, so thumbs up for manual for me. So that's what I'm gonna go for. Of course, people are different. I am not you, you are not me. You could go for automatic, but that's perfectly fine. Now let's go straight into booking your first driving lesson. This is also my first driving lesson, so let's see how it goes. I will go through how you can do it online and through how you can do it on the phone. Using any search engine, I'm using Google. We type in SmartLearner driving school onto the search bar and the results should come up. As you can see, let's click on the first link, which will take us straight to the official website of SmartLearner driving school. Let me just scroll down. There are different ways you can book in your first driving lesson. You can call them on that number. These are the different areas that SmartLearner covers: Coventry, Bedworth, Henley and Arden, Kenilworth, and all of that good stuff. Of course, we're gonna go for Coventry because I live in Coventry. So let me just click on that, and it will just provide you with all the different information. And here we come across the inquiry form. This is how I'm gonna book my lesson. So I'm just gonna fill in all my details on here and then send it through and then see if they get back to me today. Of course, full name, email, contact number, postal code, your postcode, and additional information that you may want to put in. Of course, I'm just gonna put in, I want to start my driving lesson. So okay, that was simple and easy. It's great. I've just sent my inquiry through. They should be getting back to me today through phone call or email. I think it's mainly through phone call, so I'm gonna be just waiting for that right now. So SmartLearner did get back to me. Unfortunately, I wasn't in the position to take the call, but I will be calling them back right now. Hello, is this SmartLearner driving school?
Hi, yeah, it is. What are you calling in regards to today?
Yeah, I just missed a call just today. I made an inquiry to book some lessons in. Do you have any availabilities today?
Yeah, okay, just give me a second while I search up your number and I'll just find that inquiry form for you. Do just bear with me for 1 second.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, I found that here. So can you just confirm your name for me?
My name's Rafael Aguila.
Perfect. And were you looking for manual or automatic?
I was looking for manual.
That's perfect. Okay, well we do have instructors available from next week if you're interested.
Yes, please. Yeah, next week would be great.
Yeah, that's fantastic. What sort of are your day and time requirements, generally week to week?
I'd be free mostly weekends.
Mostly weekends, okay, that's absolutely fine. Any sort of time preference or?
Mornings or afternoons, I really don't mind.
Mornings or afternoons, okay, that's absolutely fine. Just go through some instructor diaries now for you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so we have an instructor available called Raj available. He works in your area, he's a local instructor and he's available on weekends. It would have to be sort of after 12, if that's okay with you.
No, that's perfect, thank you.
Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so he has next weekend available, Saturday. How would that be for you?
No, that'd be great, thank you. How do I make payments?
Okay, so we have a couple of options for payment. We do require prepayment.
Okay.
However, you can pay online. I can take payment over the phone now for you, or you can pay cash on the instructor, cash to the instructor on the day. Sorry, if they agree.
No, that's perfect. Okay, thank you.
No problem. So I've booked that in for you and you should be receiving a text confirmation of the lesson within the next hour or so. Do be aware the instructor may give you a call just to introduce himself as well and obviously see what your past driving experience is like. But that's all booked for you and I hope you have a lovely day.
Okay, thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye. And that is it. I have booked my first driving lesson with SmartLearner Driving School. It was quick, easy, and no hassle at all. Yeah, so I hope you stay in tune for next week for my next vlog. And thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe down below. Thank you. Bye.